I've got a bit of a rant to get off my chest. You see, I'm watching too many people watching videos and they have a blank look on their face. I understand that this class is very, very different, and I hear from different students, I don't like watching the videos. I understand part of that, but at the same time, you can't like something that you don't fully engage yourself in. You never will. That just simply won't happen. Buying into something and running with it, even when it's different, is difficult. But in order to be successful in this class, you've got to want to do what you're doing. You've got to want to learn more and to work through. But mostly what I want to point out is that far too many people are clicking through, mindlessly allowing videos to play through, or absent-mindedly, may I be generous in saying that, not reading the instructions. Did you follow along with all that those two first rather lengthy videos in learning some tools in Illustrator? Because if you just watched that whole thing, then you're wasting your time. The instructions very explicitly say, now follow along. Now, that means actually opening Illustrator and doing the steps, the stages, learning the tools, experiencing the design. That's the only way that this is fun. That's the only way that you get to play, that you get to learn, that you get to explore design, graphic design in its nature. Make sure that you understand what is expected. If I see this come and go again, your accounts will be reset. That means that your XP, your gold, your everything will be blanked out to 0. The quests that you've completed will be cleared and blanked to 0, which means you will be starting Monday of week 1 all over again from the very beginning. You don't want to do that. You're hurting yourself. This isn't because I feel like just being a mean teacher. This isn't because I just am upset that you're not following my rules. This is because I want you to be successful. You can't be successful if you're not following instructions and the guidance that I'm giving you. You just can't. And it's going to become more and more apparent day by day, week by week, when you don't know what to do, when you don't know how to do the next step, because you never learned it in the first place. You never heard the instructions. You may have clicked on saying that you did, but clicking doesn't mean much if it's not true. So expect resets to happen. Expect damage. Okay? Hopefully I wasn't talking to you. I know that a large portion of you are extremely diligent. You've done fantastic, and I'm sorry that you have to listen through this. Continue the great work that you're doing, and you may continue on into the next quest.